Yes guys, I had a problem with my car a few days ago. The brake light sign come on in the dashboard and it was beeping. I thought something's really seriously wrong with the car. Went to my mechanic and he said to me, check your tire pressure. And I thought, no, can't be tire pressure making that noise beeping out there. But I checked the tire pressure and the tire pressure was wrong. I had 38 in the front and 40 at the back. It's supposed to be 29 at the front and 39 at the back. This is a 320 ml and I done it. The beeping is gone and everything is fine. So I thought this might help somebody else out. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, give me the thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.